If you're launching or selling your digital course or membership because you want to impact the world, help many more clients, grow your income, and have more free time, but your marketing strategies depend on going in Clubhouse or Instagram every single day, creating content and connecting in DMs and Facebook groups, then this video is for you, because I'm going to share with you the marketing strategies that are going to get your business stuck. How you can scale your business without the hustle, and my best 3 tips for growing a business with a vision. And if you haven't met, hello, welcome to my channel, the best place for easy to implement, predictable and efficient marketing strategies to get consistent clients for your digital course, memberships, or online programs. Now, let's begin with the problem. When we want to scale our business, we want to grow, but we are investing our time on strategies that are just going day by day, then it will be really hard to scale. So the other day, I needed to create a sales page. A sales page is a really good investment of my time in my business, because I'm creating one sales page that is going to convert clients, and is going to be one sales page for many people. But my mind kept going into stories. I wanted to go and do stories to connect with people. And I kept asking myself, why do I have this desire to go into stories? And the reason is because as humans, we are looking for instant gratification. We want to go into stories because it's fun. We get our response right away. We connect with people, and that's it. However, going into stories is always going to require of my time. Now, going into stories is not a bad marketing strategy. We need to go into stories, but we also need to have a funnel. What's the next thing? Where do we send people next? Stories, Instagram, Clubhouse is just for traffic. How can we connect with more people in less time? If we are thinking about scaling, we need to think big. And relying on Instagram or Clubhouse is just not going to cut it. And let me give you an example. If you wanted to add some shade in your backyard, you have 2 options. You can go and buy a tent, a temporary tent that is going to give you the instant gratification. You'll set it up, but you know that eventually is going to tear up. You know that the rain, the snow, the sun is going to damage it. You know that it can just be a windy day and it can blow out. Or you can go and plant a tree. Now, planting the tree is a one-time deal. You plant the tree once, just like creating a sales page once. All you have to do is water it, and give it some love. It's outside. It's under the sun already. It's very low maintenance. However, when this tree grows, it's going to give you a really fresh shade. You know that it's going to be there forever. You know that it's low maintenance, that you don't have to replace it, that you can use it for many things. It's a durable shade. It's a durable and actually better shade than the temporary tent. But we need to choose. Do we want the temporary instant gratification, or we want the durable strategy that is going to be there and help us in many other ways? So it's the same thing in business. We have different types of marketing strategies. The instant gratification ones and the durable ones are going to help us grow without we showing up, and they're going to help us scale, right? So you really need to make sure what type of strategy you want to rely on. Do you want to rely on the temporary, which may actually get you stuck, because the moment that you don't show up, it doesn't grow? Or do you want the marketing strategies that you will do once, you will implement once, and it will continue to work without you? Now, what do we need to choose the right strategy to scale? We need a vision. We need to know where we're going. One of the biggest mistakes is to say, well, I'm just going to take it day by day. Well, then where are you going? How are you going to scale if you're just going day by day? That's the thing on the instant gratification. We're just going day by day. We want the answer today, right away. And we are investing our time on temporary marketing strategies. In order for us to choose the smart marketing strategies, we first need to have a vision of where we are going. We need to be visionaries of our business. Where do you want your business to go? When we know where our business is going is when we are going to be able to choose the right marketing strategies. So you need to be a visionary of your business. And finally, I'll share with you my 3 best tips for you to grow a business with a vision. And tip number 1 is to plan for abundance. So we need to make sure that we are manifesting, but in order for us to manifest, we need to take action on that abundance. There is an abundance of clients out there in the world looking for what you have to offer. All you need to do is to show up and make sure that you're implementing strategies for abundance. What I mean for abundance is that we expect to manifest and have clients come and find us, but that is not going to just happen out of the blue. We need to make sure that we are prepared for them. We're implementing strategies to receive that abundance. So we need to make sure that we are implementing strategies to be seen by many of those clients looking for us. Getting our marketing strategy ready to be seen, the traffic. How are we going to build relationships with so many people at the same time? And how we're going to convert so many at the same time. We need to make sure that our marketing strategy to be seen, that's the traffic, people getting to know us, to build relationships, getting people into our email list, or a tactic on how we're going to build relationships with many people, our sales page on how we're going to convert so many at the same time, and even how we're going to deliver our services to so many people. We should not plan for 10 clients. If you want to scale, you need to plan for 100, for 1,000, for 1,000,000 people. Do not play small if you want to scale. Do not play small if you want abundance. If you want abundance, then plan for abundance by implementing a marketing strategy that is going to help you to have that abundance. Now, let me give you a few examples. So I'll give you an example of one of my clients, Monica. She set up her funnel. Pretty much she did a really good freebie with an amazing landing page, and she's not even running Facebook ads, but she's putting herself out there with a smart strategy. She's getting into podcast interviews. Now, when she goes into a podcast interview, she shares her freebie, which is very aligned with her program. People or leads that are interested in her go into that landing page, sign up for the freebie, and she's constantly getting leads on automatic. So she is planning to reach many people with podcasts, many people at the same time. She's not just doing social media and getting to know people in the DMs one-on-one. No, she's planning for many. They're coming into her page. They're getting into her email sequence. Then she's automatically nurturing the relationships via email. She's not planning for one person. She's planning for many, for freedom and for abundance. Now, another example is running a Facebook challenge, which is what I absolutely teach, and I believe is the best marketing strategy for new coaches who want to sell to many their digital courses or memberships. You run a challenge, you get many people into one place, you give them value, you teach them, and at the end, after 5 days, that you use to build this relationship, then you offer your program, a group coaching program or a membership, a course, whatever it is. But you get to attract many leads at the same time by implementing a strategy that allows for abundance for many people at the same time. Then you build a relationship with many people at the same time throughout the 5 days of the Facebook challenge. And finally, you invite them into your group coaching program. That is a strategy that allows for abundance. And if you want my complete done for you to-do list on how to plan, prepare, promote, and run a Facebook challenge along with the entire social media calendar to promote it, go to the description below and get the Client Attraction Facebook Challenge roadmap. But whatever strategy you choose, the one like Monica, a challenge or a webinar, whatever you decide to implement, you need to plan for abundance. Stop just relying on Instagram or relying on Clubhouse, one-on-one direct selling. That is not going to help you to scale. Plan and implement a marketing strategy for abundance. And tip number 2 is to grow your email list. At the end of the day, the followers that you have on Clubhouse or the followers that you have on Instagram, they're not yours. They are owned, their contacts, by Instagram or by Clubhouse. If Instagram disappears or Clubhouse disappears or you get blocked or hacked in any of these platforms, you may lose all of those contacts in a second. They're going to vanish right away. So you need to make sure that you're growing your email list sense now. You can use a freebie like Monica, or you can use a challenge to grow your email list. But ultimately, you need to get them into your email list. And I'm going to attach a card right here on another video that I did on how to automatically grow your email list so that you can use your time on other tasks in your business. And finally, my last tip on how to grow your business with a vision is that you need to adopt SEO marketing strategies. You need to make sure that whatever tactics you're using for your strategy, they are going to help you to grow like a CEO. And the one that I want to focus today is ads. You know, it's very easy to say, oh, I'm going to pay for a sponsorship in a conference. I'm going to pay for ads in my local newspapers. But when we think about online ads, we stay back. We're like, oh no, we cannot do that. You know, we don't want to buy customers, or that is not going to work for us. It is going to work for you. And all you're doing is putting more eyes on you. If you want to scale, if you want to have an abundance of clients, you need more clients to know who you are and how you can help them. If you want an abundance of clients, you need to make sure that they can find you. If you are not being seen by them, if they cannot locate you, how are you going to have this abundance of clients? So use tactics that are going to help you to grow. Do not stay back. Use them. They're there for a reason. Okay, that was all for today. If you want to scale without the hustle, if you really want to impact many people, grow your business, have abundance, and have more free time, then make sure that you're growing your business with a vision. And if you have any questions, please drop them below or send me a DM. I love getting them. And do not forget to subscribe, because every Monday I share a video with easy to implement, efficient, and predictable marketing strategies so you grow your business and attract more consistent clients for your membership or your digital program. And watch these 2 videos because they're also going to help to grow and help more people. I'll see you in the next video.